Well, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm really excited today because I'm participating in my first collab video. It was an open invite and it's for the fall bar cart collab for 2020, and it's basically going to be styling out your bar cart and your favorite drink for fall. This is going to be hosted by Marilyn of Fabulous Designs on a Budget, and also it's going to be co-hosted by Diva Designing on a Dime with Kimberly Davis, and I will leave all of their information for their channel URLs in the description bar below. But basically you're styling out your bar cart for the fall season and sharing your favorite drink for fall, and you use the hashtag fall bar cart collab. So I hope you guys like it. And as you can see, my bar is very nondescript and boring. So the first thing I wanted to do was go ahead and get it all cleaned up. So that's basically what I did. And I have a drink that I don't drink alcohol. So if you don't drink alcohol, doesn't mean you don't have to have, a drink on your bar. That was a sparkling cider, and I keep it in one of these. I don't use an ice bucket, but I got this from Amazon. It keeps your drinks really cold, and I love this thing. You don't even have to put it in the freezer ahead of time. It keeps them cold for a long time. I also have styled on the lower shelf of my bar cart these really pretty coasters, and this thankful sign is actually a DIY that I did. I did a DIY for this and some other items on here. I will leave all of those DIYs that I did in this video in the description bar below, because it was a glam DIY that I did for my fall series called It's Fall, Y'all, where I have a lot of DIYs for this season, and I'm sure you would find inspiration. Now this pumpkin is actually from the at-home store, and I love the way it looks with all of that sequins with the stem that looks like it's real pumpkin stem, and that's why I absolutely love this pumpkin. I have several of those styled around my home. That's sitting on top of a lacquer box, and it's so pretty. You probably can't see it on camera, but it has gold flecks in it. It's absolutely gorgeous, and I love it. I keep all of my supplies, napkins, straws, stirrers in there when I'm not using them. Also, when I style my bar cart for this time of year, I always have lots of treats for my family, and as you can see, I definitely did the same thing this year. For the lower shelf, I have mixed bars of chocolate, so wonderful, in a candy dish, and then the front jar was from the Dollar Tree, believe it or not, and it's adorable for keeping little items. For my top of my bar cart, I have this really pretty vase with some foxtails in it and some mini pampas grass, and it is so cute. Also, this is one of the DIYs I did in that DIY video for Glam DIYs, like I said, and it turned out perfect. It's really pretty, full of chunky crushed glass, and it's just bling bling. It looks like something you would get from Z Gallery. I also have this little cheers sign that I can write little messages on, and I do keep napkins on the side for if you want to just grab something and go. I do have candles that I got. These are from Anthropology, and they're for the Capri Blue line, and this is a cider. Oh, it smells so good. I have the smaller one in a tin, and I got the larger one. And this is so pretty because Capri Blue really does a good job on their candles and how they're designed. Is this not gorgeous? And I love the way these candles smell. It's spiced cider. It smells so amazing. If you want to get a good candle, get it from Anthropology. I also have some more treats on top. These are some delicious maple cookies that you can pick up from either Trader Joe's or Aldi, and they taste like fall. I also have another pumpkin from At Home up there, and of course lots and lots of treats for my family. And that little Z Gallery mini pumpkin is one of the others that I did in a DIY. That was a glam DIY that, like I said, I'll leave all that in the description bar below, along with all of the host information. So for my favorite drink, it's just warm cider, guys. So I went ahead and I'm just going to show you how I make it. I basically put the cider in. It doesn't have to be organic, but it's better to get organic, and I add some ground cinnamon from Trader Joe's, and they have a really nice taste to their cinnamon. That's why I like that. And some nutmeg, of course. And then I'm going to add some real cinnamon sticks and some cloves. And I like to add a little bit of fruit. I don't put apples in there because it's apple cider, but I do always add some oranges. I make sure they're nice and ripe. because it gives it a really nice flavor. And I love having lots of layers of different flavors. But it smells so good when you're cooking this and simmering it down in your home. And it tastes so good, guys. I don't add any sugar or anything. I just leave it on the stove and let it simmer for a little while. And once you have a little simmer, it's ready to go. This tastes so good, and it has your home smelling so great. It's been a little cool lately down here, so I'm so happy that I was able to make this. And of course, the hubby enjoyed his cup of cider. Now that it's ready, I like to serve it with something for a little treat for the family. So of course I put some of those maple cookies on there, and we're all set. So I hope you guys like this video the way I styled it out. And guys, don't forget to check out the playlist for the other creators so you can watch their video and support their videos. I appreciate you stopping by to support mine. I hope you guys are staying safe out there, staying well. Thank you so much for letting us be in this open invite to the host and co-host, and I'll see you guys next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe, give it a thumbs up. They really help our videos, and have a great day.